Let's take example of Madhu, a HR admin. He wants to learn how to create a new employee form to capture information from employees on a case. Let's see how dynamic guidance can help him.
Hello, Madhu. What can I help you with today?
I want to create an employee form to be attached on my HR cases. How can I do that?
Let me search for that information. To create an employee form for HR cases, you'll first need to navigate to HR Administration and then Employee Form. Are you ready for the next step?
Let me go there.
Great. Once you are in the Employee Form section, click the New button to start a new form.
Okay, I'm on the new employee form page.
Now, fill in the name and description for your form, then click Submit to save it.
Okay, I've submitted the form. Is that it?
The form has been saved. Now, to add questions to it, right-click the form header and select Form Designer.
Okay, I see form designer button on the top and at the bottom. Are they same? Should I click any of these?
Yes, they are the same. You can click the Form Designer button at the top.
Can you see my screen? I'm on the designer page.
Yes, I can see your screen. You're in the Survey Designer now. You can drag and drop questions from the left-hand pane to build your form.
Okay, should I publish it, save and publish it?
Yes, go ahead and click Save and Publish.
Right, I'm done. What next?
Now that it's published, you can use it in an HR task. To do that, go to an HR case, add an HR task, and set the task type to Collect Employee Input. Does that make sense?
That does. Thank you so much.
After getting this step-by-step guidance, Madhu was successfully able to create a new employee form to be used in the HR cases.